Now, when assigning default dimensions on different levels, so to one account, multiple accounts, to the account type, when using them in the default dimension priority settings, you could have conflicting situations. Let me show you this by making an example. So in the previous lessons, we have assigned default dimensions to single accounts, multiple accounts, also to the customer table. And again, this could conflict this could result in conflicting situations. And in order to check this, we can use the check value posting report. So if I go to the report, and if I just run it, you can filter it on dimension code, but that's not necessary. If I click on preview, you will get an empty report, which basically means that there is no conflict. Now, let me force a conflict. I will go to dimensions. I will go to the default account type default dimensions that we have set up previously for the customer group. So there we set code mandatory, but if I now will say no code, I will of course force a conflict, but you can see how the report will show you the conflicts. So what is the conflict in this case? Well, quite obvious, I think. If I go to check value posting, and if I click on preview, you can now see a whole bunch of lines. And of course, the conflict is that on a table level, I am saying that we cannot use the customer group dimension because my value posting is no code. While for a lot of individual customers, we have assigned default dimensions with same code. And of course, that's a conflict because on an individual level, we are saying that we should use customer group and on top of that even the value, so with same code. While on the table level, I'm specifying that you cannot use the customer group, you see? So, and that's something that typically the check value posting report will show us so that we can try to resolve these conflicts before using them in the documents. So that's basically how we can check on conflicting situations.